So, you're wondering if that girl you've been crushing on might like you back. You've been dropping hints, but you're not sure if she's picking up on them. Or maybe you're just not sure what to look for. Well, don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we'll go over all the signs that a girl likes you, from the subtle to the obvious. But before we get started, let's talk about why it's important to know the signs. For one thing, it can save you a lot of time and energy. If you know that a girl likes you, you can focus on building a relationship with her. But if you're not sure, you might be wasting your time on someone who's not interested. Secondly, knowing the signs can help you build your confidence. If you know that a girl likes you, it can give you the confidence to ask her out or make a move. So, what are the signs that a girl likes you? 1. She makes eye contact with you. This is a classic sign that someone is interested. If she's always looking at you, it's a good indication that she's into you. 2. She smiles at you. A genuine smile is a sign of attraction. If she smiles at you often, it's a good sign that she likes you. 3. She touches you. This is another physical sign that she's interested. If she touches your arm, shoulder, or hand, it's a good sign that she wants to be closer to you. 4. She laughs at your jokes. Even if your jokes aren't that funny, she'll still laugh at them if she likes you. This is a way of showing that she's interested in what you have to say. 5. She's always around you. If she seems to always be around you, it's a good sign that she likes you. She's probably trying to find ways to spend time with you. 6. She's interested in your life. If she asks you questions about your life, it's a sign that she's interested in you. She wants to know more about you and what makes you tick. 7. She's playful with you. If she's always teasing you or playing games with you, it's a sign that she likes you. She's trying to get your attention and make you laugh. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe this channel.